Hey guys, it's me again, and we are going to shoot my dad's old phone.
Okay, get away. No, don't. What? Okay, go on, got it.
We are using a crossbow and a little pellet gun. This is the first shot. It's just a little hole here. It just wipes away. Ugh. Nope.
Oh, did I hit it?
Yep. Didn't crack it though. Oh. Is the crossbow up? Wow, that did some damage. I think it just might have cracked the screen. Well, duh. It cracked the screen, yeah. It's pretty obvious. The screen just exploded. Do you want me to get the arrow out? Hold on. My God. Got it out. Yeah. It's kind of done.
Shishka phone.
Literally. Well, that's the end of that.
Okay, put that back.